Mistakes are never likely, and colors hardly run. But now they're all mixed up, and I don't know just what I see. You're over everything, all the lines escaping free. A moment interrupts me, and I can't find my place. Some voices all around here, but I won't back away. Instead I talk to you, and you're so hard to figure out. 1 minute in defeat, the next you have me breathing out. It's a hard wait, yeah. Hard wait, yeah. Hard wait, yeah. It's a hard wait, yeah. When every second takes its toll, with every kiss you kill me more. But I'm here and I decided, so come close and watch me till I die. It's true, I understand too well this price of touch and go. Still search your home for secrets that I found out on my own. Come on, just give me something, or let me be left alone and hide my face in the crowd. Just keep me moving, yeah, moving on. It's a hard wait, yeah. Hard wait, yeah. Hard wait, yeah. Hard wait, yeah. When you can never feel at home, 'cause you've been off and away too long, and it's too much just to leave again. So you figured that you'd stay instead. Yeah.